The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
Okay, so I am holding right now a vine of Niyog-niyogan, Quiscalis indica. Okay, sad to say, for our home remedy preparation today, I cannot demonstrate you a home preparation for this because the only known useful parts of Niyog-niyogan or Quiscalis indica is its fruits. Okay, but I just want you to focus on the flower because this one will later on become the fruit parts. Okay, but I cannot manage today to sequester ripe fruits because that's the only way we can make use of Quiscalis indica or Niyog-niyogan. You simply have to gather the fruit and then ingest it in its raw form after 2 hours of the meal because Quiscalis indica is known for its anti-helminthic property. Okay, it is used to remove roundworms or intestinal roundworm parasite in human digestive tract. So the purpose of the fruits is to be ingested, okay, and allow it to slowly being digested inside the stomach or digestive tract of the person for its extract to come in contact with the intestinal worms, and then you eventually have to kill the parasite and it will be excreted out from the body. So sadly though, we cannot sequester the fruit part, but anyways, this is just to emphasize that this is a very space demanding type of urban plant. You see, you have to really give it substantial space for it to grow because as you can see, it has a vine part here. It is its habit. It is actually a crawling plant. So you have to make sure that you have available space for that should you wish to include this in your home gardening. Okay?